What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, honestly, I'm gonna get to what we're doing today in a second. I got a few things for you. We're gonna get to this long extension cord in 1 minute because we're gonna be using our new air heater has done wonders. This little guy here, this 110. So first of all, the people at New Air, just like I like working with companies, and if I believe in a product, I kind of reach out to them and see if they can hook you guys up as well. So New Air, they got the 110, and also down here underneath my tool bag, we have the 240 volt electric garage heater. Top links in the description. They've got discount codes and stuff for you, so check them out for both the 110 heater. Honestly, if you let that roll for a little bit, it gets quite warm in here, and we're gonna see how the 240 volt does today as well. But also another announcement, we have a handful of the black hoodies left, so if you haven't got one yet, go check it out and grab yourself one. However, I've got an awesome announcement. Not only are we having our first like kind of sale slash promotion, we have a new product on the site. I'm super stoked about it. This is a special edition, and I had to special order them to get them made. The same heavy 10-ounce hoodies. Most people and most companies don't even go through and deal with the 10-ounce hoodies because, frankly, they are quite expensive to purchase. But you know what? I made this company saying I'm making, you know, products I would want to wear and I'm comfortable in, and who doesn't love a huge, heavy hoodie? That's why my hoodies are like 10 ounce and heavy right now. As the spring comes on, we'll offer lighter and cheaper versions for you guys as well, but just this is what I'm wearing. I like being warm in the winter and cold months, and it's just literally cozy, and anyone will like steal this from you. Even Katie's mom like stole her hoodie because it's just so like awesome. But anyway, as you can see here, first of all, we'll get to the beanie in a second, but we have new camo hoodies available on the website. This is kind of like a special edition. I had to get these special ordered, made and printed. They took a little bit of time, but they are here on the site, so they should be live as you're watching this video. So go check them out if you want one. Special edition. I don't know how many of these we will have. They are available on the site now, and they're just bad, man. They're freaking awesome. I love these. They are a little bit more expensive than these. However, I'm gonna make it up to you guys that if you order one of these camo hoodies between now and Friday at midnight, so like Saturday, going into Saturday, Friday at midnight, you will automatically get a free beanie with your order. Friday the 31st of January, the last day of the month. If you don't want a hoodie, or you already have a hoodie, if you want a beanie between now and Friday as well, you will get a free key tag with your order. As soon as you add it to your cart and check out, it should automatically throw one in there for you. If not, Katie and I will make sure that if you order a hoodie and this, you will get that in your package as well. Hoodie gets a free beanie, and beanie gets a free key tag with your order. I want to say thank you guys for all the support so far, and this is just my little kind of thank you to you guys. That camo hoodie is sweet, and I'm super stoked how they turned out. I know a lot of you said chain this up. Yes, I will chain it up. I want to get a welding cart, finish welding this exhaust today. Oh, that's where that thing went. I was looking for that. But let's get to our 240 volt. Okay. Electric garage heater from New Air. Like I said, links in the description if you guys want a little bit of a discount, and check these out for yourself. Super awesome. This garage should heat up in no time. Yeah, guys, we got Katie up there packing orders for you guys. So, like I said, take advantage of that deal. But yes, this extension cord runs into here. Back here, laundry room. I've got a dryer, 240 volt plug there into a converter that goes into a welding extension cord all the way down and out here. For now, let's get this heater cooking. Oh my god, I just got a million things to say. I know a lot of you want to see more Hellcat and my Ram mods for each of them. Something's crazy is coming for this. Super crazy. It will literally be one of a kind on this guy. And the Ram, yes, we have a lot more stuff coming, and this is a big piece to it from Banks Power. If you guys didn't catch that upload, but yes, we got a lot of stuff coming for both of those vehicles. Those projects aren't done. This project isn't done. And like, frankly, I've been looking at a couple more, so there should be some more projects on the way very soon. Okay, so frankly, I didn't know there is like a million different types of like 240 volt plugs here. These two like thin prong and one like ground. It's not even like this. So It does match my welder though. Anyway. Okay, so laying underneath there and doing all that, literally no dice. Still, there's pinholes. I know a lot of you said use a mirror, but a lot of you also said order a new Y pipe. You can get like aftermarket cheap like Y pipes for like $100 and some, and that's in fact what I did. I just got so frustrated with it still sounding like this. You got the sound of the exhaust with the headers real quick. But I'm just tired of the clicking, and I know I'll be dealing with that forever because they're pinholes and I'm never gonna actually weld them shut. Because I'm gonna be honest, the weld is not like perfect like circle and beads. It's like up top it's kind of choppy at this point because I couldn't see. So honestly, I'm just gonna take all the O2 sensors out and hack this one off, and then I will put the new Y pipe and everything on. In the meantime, I'm gonna go to the auto store right now and see if they have any of these connectors right here. Guys, I'm just at like a weird spot with this Silverado project because all of the main repairs are like done, like spark plug wires, throttle body. I mean, then we have a cold air intake. Our exhaust is installed except our new Y pipe that'll be coming. We're down to like body work now. That's a whole new world for me. So we're gonna be like, I'm just kind of like, it's just a weird spot because I'm like, I think I'm more surprised that I'm done with all the other work and I'm onto the body work already. Like, I don't know. I'm just in a weird spot. I'm just like okay, I guess I'll start working on the. It's just a weird spot for me, guys. But I'm excited. I want to get this thing done. Frankly, I cannot wait to start working on this bed, and I honestly can't wait to get a new bed liner in it as well, spraying. So it's gonna be fun. Well, I think we just have these retainers. The big one, just not in stock. It never is, and online it just says days to order. So I was hoping they might have just had one, but they don't. So I'm gonna order online and just hope for, just wait for it to come in, I guess. I mean, there's nothing else I can really do on that, but I'm just exhausted. Pick these up. I've got a bunch of these, like way more than I should. But all this really is, slide that on there. This is not even the right retainer, I don't think. Wow. All right, just my luck. That wasn't even the right retainer, so we got nowhere on this. I'm done for tonight. In the morning, I'm gonna get out here, take this out, and bring our truck bed in. Oh guys, we got our Chevy out. Honestly, the exhaust doesn't even sound that bad today. But you can still hear that it's coming right from the cats there. And it's better just to order the new Y pipe like I did. Honestly, someday, I could probably even just like no muffler it with the new headers. We'll see how loud it is, like under driving conditions, highway and stuff, and then I'll decide if I want to rip the muffler off or not. Right now, it sounds good. When you rev it, it does also sound good. We got our bed suspended here by our switch shop crane. So definitely time to start working on this bed. We're gonna bring it in here, slide the horses underneath, and we should be good. It's like bitterly cold out here. Not fun. With all our new goodies, and it's not even tuned yet though. Let's see if she can do a burnout. Well, your boy completely forgot the front drive shaft was not connected. Oh, she also did lay some rubber, but yeah, the front drive shaft is just not connected right now, so this is not good. Alright guys, and as you can see, we have the flares off, and this is what all that was hiding, all this bubbled up rust. Now, to be honest, most of this we could probably like sand down, bend up, and just kind of fill it in, but right here is our problem. And now what I didn't know is that it extended down to the bottom half of the bed here, so which makes me think that if our repair panels go deep enough, I'll have to go unbox them in a second. If they don't go deep enough, we may have to order the lower bed half of this and put that in there. Let's get the other one off and see what kind of damage we have. So this side of the truck, we just got paint chipping here, nothing crazy here. Up here, we got our rust still. Along with these inner liners seem to be pretty much the issue, but not so bad over here. Doesn't really go down too far. So I'm only kind of really concerned about the panel on this side of the Chevy here. This one. I'm gonna go see if I can go get the fill-in panels and see what and how low they actually go. Here is our panel, and unfortunately it does not come low enough over here to cover that hole, so I may need to look on Rock Auto and see if I can get the lower bed half for this, because frankly we're only gonna have the top done. I'll get the body filler and stuff done on them. We can sand the bed, get all these rails off. I wanted to do a 6-inch lift, but it kind of tempted me a little bit ago just to do like a leveling kit on it. I don't know. I honestly don't know here. So I don't know, maybe I'll do a leveling kit, maybe not. We'll see. Yeah, no, I'm gonna lift it 6 inches, why not? Let's do it. We're gonna do a 6-inch lift on that guy. So guys, hope you guys are enjoying this series. I know I am. It's actually exhausting getting all this stuff done. It really is. I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you are, shoot this video a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Like I said, new hoodies are on sale now. Check them out. And we have the sale on the beanies and the key tags till Friday. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get on there, click subscribe. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.